Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel English with Hassan, one where we help you learn English smarter, faster, and with more confidence. Today, we're diving into step 1 of your English learning journey. Setting clear goals. You might think, do I really need goals to learn English? Yes, you do. Without goals, learning a language is like getting into a car with no destination. So grab a notebook or open a note app, and let's start building your roadmap to success.
Let's practice English number 4. So the first question is write the pronouns that come after the verb. So we have 8 pronouns. So what is the first one, the second one? In the third one, we have 3 pronouns. And this is the singular form. And the next ones are in the plural form. We have 1, 2, 3. So remember what are the pronouns that come after the verb. So for you, you should stop the video here and write the answer. And when you're finished, you can go to the next slide. What are the pronouns that come after the verb? So the pronouns are very little words. So they have 1 letter, 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters. So if you finished, you can go to the second question. Now write the pronouns that come before nouns or adjectives and nouns. I repeat, write the pronouns that come before nouns or adjectives and nouns. So we have also 8 pronouns. The first one, the second. In the third one, we have 3 pronouns. And in the plural, we have 3 pronouns. If you don't know them, so go to your lessons and you can write them. It's not cheating, but it's learning. I don't call it cheating, it's learning. And another thing, if you find these questions difficult for you, you can ask for help. Your brother, your sister, mother, father, friend. So, because you are learning. This we call it learning. So if you have finished, you can go to the next slide. If you haven't finished, you need to stop the video here. So let's go to the next slide. In the next slide, we have write the pronouns that come before the verb. Write the pronouns that come before the verb. So we have also 8 pronouns. Because in English, we have pronouns that come before the verb and pronouns that come after the verb. So here, you need to write the pronouns that come before the verb. So if you've finished, you can go to the next slide. If you haven't, you need to stop the video to finish and then go to the next slide. Now, write the correct form of verb to be in present simple positive. Write the correct form of verb to be in present simple positive form. So when we say verb to be, you are going to write them with subject pronouns. With I, with you, with he, with she, with it, with we, with you, and they. So if you have finished, you can go to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide. Now write the correct form of verb to be in present simple, but this time it's not positive, it's negative. With subject pronouns, I repeat, with I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. So the negative form of verb to be. If you have finished, you can go to the next slide. Write the correct form of verb to be in questions in present simple. So what is the question form of verb to be in present simple? So yeah. So also in questions you need to use I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they, and the verb to be. So if you have finished, you can go to the next slide. Now write these sentences in the correct form in present simple positive. He, sentence number 1, he wants to learn English. What you need to do is to write want in the correct form in present simple. Number 2, she go to the gym every day. So you need to write go in the correct form. Number 3, Alison watch TV in the evening. So verb watch, you need to write it in the correct form in present simple. And the last sentence, Jackson miss his family very much. You need to write miss in the correct form. If you finished, so if you haven't finished, you stop the video until you finish, then you can go to the next slide. Write these sentences in the correct form in present simple negative. So the same sentences we saw in positive they are, but now you are going to put them in the negative form. He want to learn English. So you need to write want in the negative form in present simple. She go to the gym every day. You need to put go in the negative form in present simple. Alison watch TV in the evening. So you need to write watch in the negative form in present simple. And the last example, Jackson miss his family very much. You need to put miss in the negative form in present simple. If you've finished, you can go to the next slide. So write questions. So you are going to write questions in present simple with the following words. So you are going to use these words and to write questions. The first sentence, he wants to learn English. So what is the question? The second sentence, she go to the gym every day. What's the question? Alison watch TV in the evening. What's the question? Jackson miss his family very much. What's the question?
حد سعيد. إلى اللقاء. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. حد سعيد.